As you've seen from the title of this video, today I'll be telling you how to repair your damaged skin barrier, especially if it's been affected by skin lightening, whitening, or so-called organic skincare products. And I'll also recommend safe and healthy products that will help your skin heal naturally. Now, the thing is, a lot of people don't even realize that they are bleaching their skin. But if you're watching this video, I'm sure you've gotten to the point where you know that's what's happening with you. So first of all, I'm proud of you for wanting to make a change. Now, the first thing I want you to do is to stop using those harmful products immediately. Yes, I know they give quick results, but in the long run, they dehydrate your skin, make it dry and flaky, and even cause more damage over time, which is not even worth it, to be honest. Before we go further, I have to be very real with you. If you're not ready to put in the work and time to allow your skin heal, what I mean by time is 3 to 6 months at least, then this video may not be for you. But if you're ready to get your skin healthy again and bring back that natural glow, because trust me, I have been through this myself, then keep watching. Welcome back to my channel if you're a returning subscriber, but if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. Right now, if you've been using harsh products, your skin is probably dry and dehydrated where it feels tight, or it's maybe flaky and dry where you have rough patches, or it might even be discolored where you have hyperpigmentation and your skin tone is uneven, or it can be sensitive whereby it stings anytime you use any product. All of these are all signs of a damaged skin barrier. Now, if you don't know what a skin barrier is, think of your skin barrier as a protective wall where it keeps the good stuff like moisture in and the bad stuff like pollutants and bacteria out. When your skin barrier is damaged, it becomes weak, it loses water, and also becomes prone to acne, irritation, and aging. Now, let's talk about why your skin is in this state. The thing is that most bleaching or harsh organic skincare product contains ingredients that strip your skin of its natural oil, thin your skin out, and weaken its ability to protect itself, which is not what you want. These harmful ingredients can be things like steroids, which causes thinning of your skin or long-term damage, or it might even be excessive hydroquinone, which causes darkening of your skin and extreme sensitivity, or worse, it might be mercury, which is very toxic and in some worst cases causes kidney damage or gives you extreme breakouts. Even some organic skincare products are way too harsh, using things like lemon, turmeric, and black soap in high concentrations, which can strip your skin instead of nourishing it. But the truth is, your skin was never the problem. Society or peer pressure or comparison just made you think that lighter skin is better, but that is so not true. Now that you're ready to heal, I want you to understand something. You'll be going back to your original skin tone, and that is a beautiful thing. If you bleach your skin out of insecurity, peer pressure, or comparison, I get it. I was once there. I didn't feel like I was beautiful unless I was a shade or two lighter. But let me tell you, I have never felt more beautiful and confident than I do now with my natural skin tone, and you will definitely feel the same once your skin is healthy and glowing again. Now, let's get into the practical steps to actually heal your skin. The first thing you're going to do is to stop using those harsh products immediately. No more bleaching creams, aggressive scrubs, or drying soaps. Trash all of them, put them out of your sight. You are done. You don't need any of that. Next, you're going to keep your skincare routine very simple, because for now, all you need is gentle cleansing, hydration, repair, and sun protection. For your morning routine, the first thing you're going to use is a gentle cleanser. Make sure you're using the one with no exfoliating beads or harsh soaps or any fragrance at all. Next, you're going to use a hydrating toner. This is quite optional, but avoid alcohol-based ones. You're also going to need a serum with niacinamide or hyaluronic acid to repair and hydrate your skin, and you're also going to need a thick moisturizer with ceramide to strengthen your skin. I love this one from CeraVe. It's their daily moisturizing lotion. It also contains ceramides and hyaluronic acid, making it a perfect moisturizer for a beginner. And lastly, always wear your sunscreen. Make sure you're using the one with SPF 50+. This is a non-negotiable because it doesn't make sense that you're going to be using all these other products to hydrate and repair your skin and you're not protecting your skin. It's also going to help you with your discoloration and hyperpigmentation, so make sure you you wear your sunscreen. I love this sunscreen from Uncover. It's a perfect sunscreen for a beginner or a combination skin girly. It doesn't leave my face too greasy or oily anytime I wear it. So get your hands on it if you're looking for a beginner friendly sunscreen for us melanated girls. It's also very affordable and you can find it in your nearest supermarket. For your night routine, you're going to need a gentle cleanser, a hydrating toner which is also optional if you don't want to use one, a soothing serum or repair cream. I love this soothing serum from Purito. It's their unscented version. I love to use this on nights when I'm exfoliating my skin with my BHAs or my AHAs. For now, you don't need to exfoliate your skin. All you need to focus on, as I mentioned before, is barrier repair and hydration. This is a very good soothing serum if your skin right now feels very sensitive due to all the bleaching and due to the fact that it's damaged. This one is quite pricey, but there are other good soothing serums and repair creams out there. For example, the Cosrx hyaluronic acid cream is a very good cream for hydration and barrier repair. For moisturizer, I love using this all-in-one cream from Cosrx. It's a perfect moisturizer to use if you want to focus on barrier repair and hydration, and it always helps to lock in all that moisture anytime I'm done with my skincare. I don't even need to slug. This is a perfect moisturizer, take it from me. But if you're a girl like me that wears makeup and sunscreen, make sure you're always double cleansing. And if you notice anytime you wear makeup you always break out, it probably means that you're not taking off your makeup properly. That's why you need to double cleanse. If you're going to be double cleansing, make sure to always take off your makeup first with an oil-based cleanser or a cleansing balm, and don't forget to emulsify with water. You can also go a step further and use micellar water on a cotton pad to remove the dirt and leftovers from your face, and also don't forget to clean your hairline to make sure there are no leftover residue. And lastly, wash your face with a water-based cleanser to make sure your face is clean. Trust me when I say if you follow that routine, you won't break out anytime you wear makeup. Now, that aside, remember that for now you need to avoid all the exfoliants like AHAs, BHAs or retinol, because you need to wait until your skin is stronger before you start introducing all those actives in your skincare routine. You also need to avoid any products with very heavy fragrance, and you need to avoid all the harsh soaps and scrubs. Now, you also need to remember that your skin didn't get damaged overnight, so it won't heal overnight either. It might take weeks or even months to fully restore, but consistency is key. You might even experience things like purging or breakout, but that is totally normal. All you need to do is drink lots of water, stay consistent, and allow your skin to fully recover. Now, I know that this journey can be emotional, and you might even think of giving up and going back to using those bleaching products because you might be thinking, oh, what will people say? But the thing is that your real beauty isn't in being lighter, it's in being you and being your authentic self. When I stopped bleaching and focused instead on healthy skin, my confidence totally skyrocketed. I feel so much better in my own body and my skin naturally glows now. I promise you, you are stunning just the way you are, and your skin tone is unique just to you. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more skincare and self-care content, and don't forget to drop all your questions in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer all of them, and I'll see you in my next video.